got me tied down on the way to the beach. 4 bad chicks in the middle of the street. Oh, right up in the yard.
Okay, so the last clip I showed y'all, we had cut this opening out. So this week what we did was we put the sheetrock on here, and Ishmael rewired the wires, and now they're here. And also he put the header back up here. So he did the sheetrock on both sides. That's what happened this week. And I took the molding that was off. I took the molding off of here. Yeah. So we're not gonna work in this room quite yet, but you know it was interfering with that, so I just took molding off of here. Okay, so this is the widening right here. This is where you can see how my pictures match, but I'm gonna get these to the Habitat for Humanity, and then I gotta paint the ceiling. I'm just gonna work in the kitchen this summer, so I'm gonna paint the ceiling. The lights are going to the Habitat for Humanity because I just want new lights in here. And then, you know, yeah, the kitchen gotta get done, so the floors have to be redone, which we don't buy most of the tiles for the floors. Right here. So that's the tile for my new floors. You gotta find some more hardwood to put in this little spot right here. Just a little bit. So I went to the Habitat for Humanity looking for that stuff, but you know, couldn't find it. So I'm gonna have to go to the Home Depot and just get me a couple pieces for that. Yeah, and then we're gonna work on in here. We're gonna get this thing right here, it gotta go. So this is going, and when I get a new piece of whatever gonna be right here, it's gonna be I'm gonna put concrete countertops on it. The tiles that we got for the countertops, they are too thin, so we're not gonna use those. So that was an unnecessary buy. So here they go right here. This thing is heavy. So I might just take them back to the Habitat for Humanity. Ishmael was like, maybe we could do a backsplash with it or something. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'll put it in my bathroom. I really don't know. My bathroom floor is about that big, so maybe they'll go in my bathroom, which I already bought tile for my bathroom too, but yeah. So we just gotta sand this, and it won't be this side no time soon because we're not working in here like I told you. We're just working in my kitchen. So we on phase 1. We're winding this wall, and then we're gonna plank this wall, and we're gonna paint it, just this wall right here, a dark color, and I'll show you a picture of that once we paint it. Just right here, a dark color, and then we're gonna put the same header that's in here and there, but I don't know if I'm gonna do the header like white and then have the dark painted woods going out of it, or am I gonna do the header the same color as the header, the same color as the wood that I'm gonna paint. So I'm really not, I really don't know right now, but yeah, I've been trying to give y'all just a little bit of videos while we finish in here. Yep. So that is that, and Ishmael is gonna put the drywalls in. Since he don't move the wires, he went up in the attic and moved the wires from here, from right here to over there, and they work. Cause at first we didn't have no lights. Look, we were no light shouting. But yeah, like I told you, this fixture is going to Habitat for Humanity. These things, and also I had bought some sconces. They look just like this that I was gonna put on the wall. The sconces, I'm taking all this stuff to Habitat for Humanity. When I take all this down, that will where it will be going. So right now we just putting the drywall back up, and hopefully next week we'll start planing the walls. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Phase 1 of the project is done. Yay me. So we just heading on to phase 2, and that would be painting the ceiling and getting the molding in. I might have changed my mind about doing the shiplap on the wall. I don't know quite yet. I gotta see how much it's gonna be. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Be blessed, you guys.
To the next, and she got her hands all over my body. I ain't trying to stop. bad friends and they all on me. Me and baby girl, we been chillin'